Are you feeling stuck, lost, or unhappy with your life?
Do you feel like you're just going through the motions without any sense of purpose or direction?
If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with feelings of discontentment and disconnection from their lives. But the good news is that you have the power to fix your life and create a more fulfilling, meaningful, and joyful existence. The first step to fixing your life is to take responsibility for your actions, choices, and circumstances. This means acknowledging that you are the creator of your life and that you have the power to change it.
It's easy to blame others, circumstances, or fate for our problems, but true freedom and empowerment come from taking ownership of our lives. Setting clear goals and intentions is essential for creating a sense of direction and purpose in your life. What do you want to achieve? What kind of person do you want to become? What kind of life do you want to lead? Take some time to reflect on these questions and then create a clear plan of action to achieve your goals.
Taking action and creating momentum is essential for making progress and achieving your goals.
This means taking consistent, focused action towards what you want to achieve and being willing to take risks and face challenges along the way.
Remember, momentum builds upon itself, so start small and keep moving forward.
Practicing self-care and self-compassion is essential for maintaining your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. This means taking care of your body, mind, and spirit, and being kind and compassionate towards yourself. Remember, you're human, and it's okay to make mistakes and have imperfections. The people you surround yourself with, the books you read, the music you listen to, and the environment you live in all have a profound impact on your life. Surround yourself with positive influences that uplift, inspire, and support you, and avoid negative influences that drain, discourage, and hold you back. Staying focused and motivated is essential for achieving your goals and creating a fulfilling life. This means setting clear priorities, avoiding distractions, and finding ways to stay motivated and inspired. Remember, motivation is like a muscle that needs to be exercised regularly, so find ways to stay motivated and keep moving forward. Fixing your life is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and patience, but the rewards are well worth it. By taking responsibility, letting go of the past, identifying your values and passions, setting clear goals and intentions, taking action and creating momentum, practicing self-care and self-compassion, surrounding yourself with positive influences and staying focused and motivated, you can create a more fulfilling, meaningful, and joyful life.
Remember, you have the power to fix your life and create a brighter, more hopeful future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.